If you wonder if Redmi Note 14s does have AI, let me quickly show you. As we go for the settings and take a look at the AI in the settings itself, we will be actually not able to find anything about the AI. So it actually depends on what kind of AI you would like to see. Since it doesn't have the AI engine for the pictures, like for example, or as you go for the display and brightness, you'll also not be able to find the AI right here or any other things like this. But right here you can actually download AI if you'd like to, like for example ChatGPT, or also like there is a Google provided AI which is called Gemini. So let's go for the Google settings right here, all services, and right here we can find the search assistant and voice, and here we will be able to find the Gemini, and here I believe alright, and here we simply can enable it right here and customize it and some other things, and we can use it by pressing and holding the home button, and this will enable Gemini, and you can use it right here just like this.